How to add Instagram to Facebook's Meta Business Suite. Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you a quick and easy way to connect your Instagram account to your Meta Business Suite. First off, you want to go over to facebook.com on your web browser and then simply log into your account. Then switch over to any of your page where you want to manage. And then from there, just go ahead and click on this option. Once you click on your profile on the left-hand side of your screen, you'll have more tools, and under more tools, you have Meta Business Suite. Click on it, and you'll be taken over to this. Now you can manage all of your stores and assets from here. You could go to its settings, and then from here, you can manage your accounts as well. So you have people, then you have partners, and then you have system users. That is under users. Now, in order to add different accounts, you could go to pages over here, and you'll have all of the option to manage all of your pages. Now, in order to add Instagram to your Meta Business Suite, you can go to Instagram accounts over here. No Instagram account has been added, so click on Add. Now you're going to have to log into your Instagram account. Click on I agree and click on Add Instagram account. Now all you have to do is basically enter your login credentials. Click on Login. Now if you have set up two-step verification, they will send you a code over to your phone number. Now you can just go ahead and enter the code. I'll just quickly do that. And then once you have entered your code, tap on Confirm. Once you do that, you should be able to add your Instagram account without any problem. So let's just log into our account over here and select, you're going to have to turn on your business or your professional account. So go ahead and click on that, click on next, keep tapping it, select any one of these options. So let me just go ahead and select this for now, tap on done, click on continue, and your account will be easily converted to your professional account. And click on done. And now you should be able to connect it with your Meta Business Suite. Wait for a bit, and your account should show up on this page in no time. Now, as you can see here, the account has successfully been added. Now you can easily manage the account as well. So that's basically it, guys. That's how you add your Instagram account to Facebook Meta Business Suite. If this tutorial was helpful to you, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.